Very nice, young man. Say hello, if you would, to Mr. Clint Black from RCA Records.
So I keep a tight grip on the bottle, getting loose, killing time. And this killing time is killing me.
I haven't seen that in a long time. Remembering Johnny Russell, I never forgot that was he introduced me.